Today is all about happiness. Even the rain has fallen for you. Looking at you, beautiful woman, blown up by your smile and beautiful hair, you quickly became the one which counts the most for me. I love you, Saskia Merlet. Forget about glory, money and gold. You will always remain my true and only treasure. A prize which nobody can trade. A feeling which nobody can buy. I want to continue looking at you playing with kids. Being at this moment the happiest person on earth. I want to see you as a mother. I want to continue living with you this beautiful life book for ages with glowing stars and infinite pages. More than a decision, it's a feeling. It has increased every day since I met you. We match so well together. I promise to help for housekeeping. I promise to do all my best to make you happy until my last breath. I promise I will never abandon you. I will never abandon our family. You are the first and only woman for whom I ever said I love you. This means a lot to me. You mean a lot to me.
On vit, on parle, on a le ciel et les nuages sur la tête. On aime, on est aimé, bonheur qui manque au roi. On écoute le chant des oiseaux dans les bois. On se sent faible et fort, on est petit et grand. On est flot dans la foule, âme dans la tempête. Tout vient et passe, on est en fête. On arrive, on recule, on lutte avec effort. Puis, le vaste et profond silence de la mort.